Hey guys, Kitt Rct. Just got this from FedEx delivered from me from DDM. Got the Losi 5B, man. Just showing a little quick update video what I'm gonna be working on. I'll have lots of other videos of all my other stuff too. I'm just yeah. I'll build this and eventually, so make videos of it probably and stuff like that. But I'm gonna make some running videos of my monster truck probably, and some of my other cars I haven't made. I haven't made a few videos with my Kraken and stuff, so I'll probably do that here pretty soon. Yeah, so just showing you what I recently added to my collection. I'm gonna build this thing up. Losi 5B. Yeah, so yeah. Team Losi Racing. Factory sealed. Yeah, it's factory sealed. They all come factory sealed from DDM. I'm guessing unless he orders other stuff with it, then they open it and put stuff in it. But yeah, it's the Losi 5B. So yeah, I think it's pretty awesome. Definitely want to build a track out here where I'm at, so that's one reason why I bought this. It'd be awesome if I could do that. I'm sure I will. It's just take work and time, so. Yeah, Lighter Monkey, you gotta help me build a track. Come on, look what I got, son. I got a Losi 5B. We gotta race, man. Gotta build a track and race. It'd be awesome. Alright, man. Alright, guys, I just wanted to make a quick update video. So, yeah. They're pretty nice. Definitely, I wanted a buggy for the longest time, so. I used to have a Losi DBXL. I liked it, but I didn't like it that much. The thing was, the body was a nightmare to get on. I mean, it was alright buggy. It was a Losi DBXL. But, yeah, I sold that thing. I didn't want it, so. I've been wanting a buggy for a long time, so I'm definitely gonna keep this one, hang on to this thing. This thing's nice. I got it's really on sale right now. It says the regular price is like $1,400. I got it for $750. Out the door, $749. So yeah. That's a really good deal. It's I think it's still on sale on DDM, so if you guys want one, it's a manufactured lowest price. It's a limited time sale, so who knows if they raise that, man. That's a way bigger price if you buy it. But I just said screw it. I got it and got it when it was a really good deal, so. Alright guys, this is Kitt Rct. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks a lot guys. Bye.